Evian a Cano Callan Orish enemy home.
Dro Callahan Orish. Callan here is the Dutchy watching Con. Canador Owane. Hullis Porfidon. The Illingary. Conor Callan. Howling at Conor Callan.
Boston shots. Take Conor Callahan. Full second. Slash tip. That's why O'Callaghan. And does lead. Oh, Shinora Corgan Cool Fonte. And Conor Callahan. Oh, Colgan Kid Scott. Oh, Gamakula. Saturday. A Shriel Cream and Aiden and Lena. Hardpool.
Hardpool Godor. Agus I know in the kind of pot and Rock Cousin to Liga Chino.
Ishna. Scott to get that. We go Callahan. Deshiga. Fosig O'Callaghan. Oh, for Shacool. Siglufa. August Top Cool. And the Fonte. Siglufa Canish. And Conor Callahan. Cool and good hero. Cool and good wheels. Siglufa Canish. Liam Conor Callahan.
Neil and Alfay. Agus Welsh for Shacool from all.
Like a death again. Would you think Keane was talking to hauling the Conor Callan Slayer? Agus Pasha Mihanish. Cussin Arden. And Conor Goni. Honachul. Again Callan.
Barring the shots of over Callan Hasselstad. There's them. That's Deshiga. August Alice in there with sheer on Boyd. I'm sure on Son Conor Callan Orish enemy home. Those for Conor. Here buona. After him or off the field. The hider shot winner. After Tony Players. After Matt the Staff. After Portis and Angle. After Claire.
Nicky Kenny. Would you start to get shoot the Sean Tracy Nish. Crossing 30 minutes to get shoot. Stefan so August Conor Callahan. Cool on the Aston fan. The Hortele. Conor Callahan is on the staff. August Tasha Sora. The VO and Gold Bar. The Cool Anksha. Conor Callahan reached.